Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you how to use data saver on Instagram. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, we will learn how to enable or disable data saver on Instagram. So for this purpose, you have to open up your Instagram. After that, you have to go to your profile. In your profile, you have to click on the three lines at the top right corner. After that, you have to go to settings. In the setting, you have to go to your account, and here you can see the option of cellular data use. You have to click on this, and here you can see all of your cellular data settings. First of all, it gives me an option of data saver. You can enable or disable it. If you want to enable it, you just have to turn it on. It says that when data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you to use less data. Here you can select the high resolution media when you click on this, and here it gives you three options: never, Wi-Fi only, cellular plus Wi-Fi. You can select any of the option according to your preference, and then it gives you an option of media upload quality. If you want to upload your media at the highest quality, you just have to enable this option. It says that always upload the highest quality photos and videos even if uploading takes longer. When this is off, will automatically adjust upload quality to fit network condition. If you guys want that all of your Instagram images and posts should upload in high resolution quality, you have to turn this option on, and in this way your all of the videos will be uploaded in the highest quality. Otherwise, Instagram will adjust the quality of your photos and videos according to fit the network conditions. Okay, so guys, this brings me in the end of the video. Hope you guys like this video of using the cellular data on Instagram. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up.